Hi guys, today I'm going to do this intricate knotted half up half down hairstyle, and it's easier than it looks. To start, take a slice of hair slightly to the left hand side at the crown, and then holding on to the top I'm going to rotate it once just to create a little loop. Pinch this together with your finger and thumb, and we're going to take the same size section to the right hand side. Now we're going to pop a couple of fingers through the middle of the loop and start pulling that new section through the hole, but only pull it a little way to create a little loop, and slip your fingers through the loop from right to left. Then take a thin slice of hair from the left hand side of the head, pass it to your fingers, and then you want to pinch the bottom of that loop with your finger and thumb to keep it secure and pull that new section all the way through that middle one. Then we're going to pop our fingers going the opposite direction, so pop them through the loop from left to right, grab the same size section on the right hand side, pass it to your fingers and pull it all the way through that hole. Then tighten up that middle section just by pulling it tight, and we can rearrange the shape of it by gently pinching and pulling at the sections. When you're happy with the shape, secure it with a clear elastic band. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.